Hey, John Durham with the Durham Exec Group and Remax Results. I'm a licensed realtor here in Hudson, but in addition, I've received additional training and I'm a licensed real estate broker in both the states of Minnesota and Wisconsin. I work with my wife, Becky, who's also a licensed realtor in both Wisconsin and Minnesota, and together we have about 40 years of real estate experience. Additionally, Becky is the corporate training manager for the largest Remax franchise in the world with over 1,400 realtors. I want to talk to you today about the Hudson housing market as of October 22, which is the most current data. I've done my research, and there's a number of things I think we need to talk about. But I think the first thing is that October's been kind of a volatile month. The Consumer Price Index, the CPI, is a measurement of inflation, and we've seen in September the CPI was like 8.2%. Now in October, it's dropped down to 7.7%. And so as a result, last week we saw mortgage interest rates drop a fair amount, but only for a few days, less than a week. And as a result, we saw a lot of new mortgage applications from buyers. Unfortunately, interest rates are now on a 30-year conventional now back up over 7%. And if you think about it, a year ago, October of 2021, interest rates on average was just slightly under 3%. So we've seen over a 4% increase in the last 12 months, which is pretty significant, which is obviously having a big impact with a lot of buyers out there. I read just today a report where with new construction, buyers are backing out and canceling their purchase agreement with their builders at more than 3 times the normal rate. And the reason is because of the interest rates have inclined, but also because a lot of these contracts have escalation clauses in there based on building material costs. And with the supply chain issues we're seeing, that's really pushing those costs up, where a lot of those buyers either can't afford to buy or build and close, or they're just uncomfortable. The unfortunate part of that is that with new construction, these builders have these contracts drafted up in such ways that typically those buyers will lose their down payment, which can be anywhere from $10,000 to say $50,000, which is quite a big chunk. And then the builders turn around and sell the house to somebody else. So my strong recommendation for people considering new construction is probably not right now, and it's much safer, and you can buy in existing single-family homes out there, as well as the price per finished square feet is significantly less than new construction. But in addition to that, you can close in 4 to 8 weeks, and you don't have to worry about interest rates, and you don't have to worry about supply chain issues. So let's talk about the Hudson housing market. What I'm seeing is the housing inventories is staying pretty much the same as far as how many houses are on the market. Definitely new listings and closed sales are down. But what I'm seeing is that the over a 12-month period is I'm seeing the median average sale prices are still staying between 8 and 9%. That's over a 12-month period. And so, I mean, that's good. And I know that's going to depend on a lot of different factors, price point of homes, and so on. But if you take a little closer look and you look at September compares to October, you'll see that the average and median sale price is down slightly. And so that will bear watching. If you're thinking of selling or buying in the greater Hudson area, reach out to Becky and I. We're experts in the area at 651-231-2191. I really appreciate you watching this video. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.